Are paper towels just not cutting it? Tired of always running out of paper towels? Are you looking for a better towel to clean with? There are so many things to clean inside and outside of the home. Now, wouldn't it be great if you had just one towel that was durable, yet gentle enough to handle all of your jobs with ease? Well, there is. The Palm Towel, the smart towel that's tough enough yet gentle enough to get every one of your jobs done both inside and outside of your home. How this intelligent household cleaning towel works is simple. Use it, rinse it, dry it, and reuse it. Made of cutting-edge materials, the Palm Towel is super absorbent, does the job of 100 paper towels, is lint-free, safe to use on your most valued possessions, and durable enough for heavy-duty jobs. Stop wasting paper and cloth towels. Elevate your cleaning game with the intelligent household cleaning towel that does it all. Visit thepalmtowel.com to buy your supply today.